to observe and congratulate India for the 65th anniversary of India's Independence Day. And on behalf of Central Tibet administration, we wish the Holy Land of India and very hospitable and kind host of Indian people congratulations on India's Independence Day, and wish India a shining success in years to come. As a Tibetan, from civilization point of view and from cultural point of view, India and Tibet are very much linked. And geographically also, we are very much connected. And we owe a lot to India and Indian people historically, because our basic civilization, Buddhism, came from India, and the great Indian scholars brought Buddhism to Tibet. And now, presently, given the tragic situation in Tibet after we lost our country, we also sought refuge in India. And in the last 50+ years, Indian government and the great people of India has been tremendously kind and helpful and supportive, for which we are eternally grateful. And also, because we are based in Himachal Pradesh, we want to also extend our gratitude to the state of Himachal Pradesh and people of Himachal Pradesh. Thank you very much.